First, open the engine oil drain bolt. Drain all the engine oil, then tighten the bolt. Replace the fuel water separator filter element. Replace the engine oil filter element. Check the hydraulic oil level, then replace the fuel filter element. Check the coolant level. Refill with engine oil. Check the level of the refilled engine oil against the gauge marks. Replace the air filter element. Check inside the cab and whether the external air conditioning filter element needs replacement. Drain the gear oil from both travel motors. Refill. Drain the gear oil from the swing motor and refill. Fill to the standard level mark. Replace the hydraulic oil every 1,500 operating hours. Replace the hydraulic oil. Replace the engine oil and return oil filter elements and refill with hydraulic oil. Replace the pilot filter element. Fill with hydraulic oil to the standard level mark.